Hello kids, let's learn ABC. A for alligator. B for bear. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for goat. H for hippo. I for iguana. Jellyfish. K for koala. L for lion. Narwhal. O for octopus. P for panda. Q for quail. R for raccoon. S for snake. T for turtle. U for urchin. V for vampire bat. W for whale. X for X-ray fish. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Like, share and subscribe Bacho Duniya.